I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by defining what you actually need: purity, quantity, and purpose. Order potassium thiocyanate from a reputable supplier and obtain the Certificate of Analysis and SDS. This tells you about grade and hazards. While waiting, make sure your workspace has good ventilation and that you have PPE, safety goggles, nitrile gloves, and a chemical apron. Once delivered, inspect packaging and paperwork immediately and segregate the material from incompatible reagents. This prevents accidental mixing and ensures you're legally and safely acquiring the compound. When the shipment arrives, verify the lot number on the bottle against the COE and confirm the stated purity and assay. Visually confirm the physical appearance, typically a white crystalline powder, and note any signs of contamination like moisture caking or off odors. Log the material into your inventory system with storage instructions and hazard classification. Store it according to the SDS: dry, cool, and separated from oxidizers and strong acids. Make sure containers are clearly labeled, and secondary containment is used to avoid spills. For routine use, keep potassium thiocyanate tightly sealed in a dry environment and away from acids or oxidizing agents, since interactions can produce hazardous byproducts. When finished, return unused portions to original containers and follow your institution's hazardous waste protocols. Never pour reactive salts down the drain. If a sample appears contaminated, discolored, or exhibits unusual odor, quarantine it and consult the COE or contact the supplier for guidance. If in doubt, treat as hazardous and arrange professional analysis before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.